Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GoHighLevel with WhatsApp. This integration allows you to connect your WhatsApp messaging directly into your GoHighLevel workflow, making it easier to manage client communications and automate responses all from one central platform. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Sign in using your GoHighLevel credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready, as you'll need full access to your account to complete this integration properly. Once you're logged in, the next important step is to access the correct account where you want WhatsApp integrated. In the left navigation panel, you'll see options for your agency account or specific sub-accounts. Select the appropriate one carefully, whether that's your main agency account or a client sub-account. This ensures the integration is set up exactly where you need it, avoiding any confusion later on. Now let's head to the settings area. On the left side menu, navigate to Settings and click on it. This is where you'll find all the customization and connection options for your GoHighLevel setup. Under the Settings tab, scroll down until you locate the option labeled Integration. Click on it to proceed. This section houses all the third-party apps and tools you can connect with GoHighLevel. Within the integration menu, you'll see several apps that are readily available to connect and integrate with GHL. Look for WhatsApp in this list and click Connect. This is the gateway to linking your WhatsApp messaging capabilities directly into your GoHighLevel system. After clicking Connect, you'll be prompted with a new window where you can review features and pricing details. Take a moment to look through what's included in the integration and understand any costs involved. Once you're done reviewing, click on Agency Purchase. Another pop-up window will appear containing an acknowledgement form. Read through the terms carefully, tick the checkbox to confirm you understand and agree, then click on Enable Now. This finalizes the integration and activates WhatsApp within your GoHighLevel account. And there you have it. WhatsApp is now integrated with your GoHighLevel account, allowing you to streamline your messaging and client communication all in one place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.